Good morning, children. Welcome back to Science Online class. I think you are all doing well, and I hope that you have completed the last class portions clearly. Children, in the last class, what we have studied? Yes, we have studied some safety rules that you should follow at home, at school, and on the road. In today's science class, we will continue the chapter Keeping Safe and learn about first aid. Children, accidents generally cause hurt or harm. First aid is the first help given to an injured person. First aid is emergency care. This help or aid can easily prevent a person's condition going from bad to worse before the doctor arrives. Children, it is always good to know more about first aid since it can save someone's life. Children, if you do meet with an accident, remember the following golden rules. If you see any injured person, help. Keep calm and do not crowd near the injured person. If your friend is hurt, immediately inform your teacher if at school, or inform any adult if you are at home. If it is a small wound or a cut, apply any antiseptic cream after washing it. If there is bleeding, do not let the wound bleed. Immediately wash the affected area with plenty of water and apply any antiseptic cream. Then tie a bandage or a clean handkerchief over it. In case of a burn, apply any antiseptic cream on the affected area and leave it open. Children, what is first aid? The immediate help given to an injured person is called first aid. Next, first aid kit. We must always be prepared for unexpected emergencies. It is important to maintain a first aid kit at home. In fact, it is a good idea for every child to make his or her own. Children, what is a first aid box? A box that contains items needed to give first aid is called a first aid box. It contains items such as antiseptic lotion, antiseptic cream, band-aid, bandage, scissors, gauze, cotton gloves, and syringes. Children, we now know a few safety and both aid measures to follow. Children, take your science book. Children, now take page number 25. First aid. We should give immediate care and attention to an injured person. The immediate help given to an injured person is called first aid. What is first aid? The immediate help given to an injured person is called first aid. If you get hurt, go to an adult immediately for first aid. You can also call a doctor if it is a serious injury. A box that contains items needed to give first aid is called a first aid box. What is first aid box? A box that contains items needed to give first aid is called a first aid box. It contains items such as antiseptic lotion, antiseptic cream, band-aid, bandage, scissors, gauze, cotton, gloves, and syringes. For small cuts and wounds, wash the area with water, wipe it gently, and put an antiseptic cream. Then tie a bandage or a clean handkerchief around the wound. If the wound is deep, go to a doctor immediately. What is the meaning of antiseptic? Something that kills germs. Children, take page number 26. Let's do the book exercise. Roman number 1, objective type questions. A. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Question number 1. We should put away our toys in their proper place after playing. Second question. We should not run while climbing up and down the stairs. Third question. We should not play on the road. Fourth question. We should walk on the footpath. Fifth question. We dash give immediate care to an injured person. Should or should not? Answer should. S-H-O-U-L-D, should. Next, B, write T for the true and F for the false statements. Number 1, we can go near a gas stove and play. Answer false. Question number 2, it is safe to play with sharp objects such as knives and scissors. Answer false. Question number 3, it is alright to push your friends off the swings and not wait for your turn. Answer false. Question number 4, we can cross the road whenever we want to. Answer false. Question number 5, if you get hurt, you should ignore it. Answer false. Children, take page number 27. C. Choose the correct option. Question number 1. Which of these should you not touch with wet hands? Answer electric wires and plugs. Question number 2. Which of these can cause harm to us in the school bus? Answer all of these. Sticking out face from the window, running behind the bus to catch it, getting off a moving bus. Answer all of this. Question number 3. Which of these can help us stay safe on the road? Answer all of these. Zebra crossing, subway, walking on the footpath. Next, fourth one. Which of these lights tell vehicles to wait? Answer yellow. Question number 5. Which of these would you find in a first aid box? Answer all of these. Band-aid and scissors, gauze and cotton, antiseptic lotion. Answer all of these. Sixth question. What is the immediate help given to an injured person? Answer first aid. First aid, helping aid, band-aid, prime aid. Answer first aid. Question number 7. Which of these objects can cause fire at home and cause harm? Answer gas stove. Eighth question. How should we wait for the bus at a bus stop? Answer stand in a queue. Roman number 2. Very short answer type questions. A. Give one word for the following. Question number 1. A special part of the road marked with black and white lines used to cross the road. Answer zebra crossing. Z-E-B-R-A-C-R-O-S-S-I-N-G. Zebra crossing. Question number 2. An underground path used to cross a busy road. Answer subway. S-U-B-W-A-Y. Subway. Question number 3. What a red light says? Answer stop. S-T-O-P. Stop. B. Give 2 examples for the following. Question number 1. Sharp objects that can cause harm at home. Answer knife, scissors. Knife, K-N-I-F-E. Knife. Scissors, S-C-I-S-S-O-R-S. Scissors. Page number 28. Question number 2. What we can use to cross a road safely? Answer. Use a zebra crossing and use a subway. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra crossing. C-R-O-S-S-I-N-G. Zebra crossing. Subway. S-U-B-W-A-Y. Way. Next, third question. Colors of a traffic light. Red, green. R-E-D, red. Green, G-R-E-N, green. Next, fourth question. Contents of a first aid box. Antiseptic lotion, band-aid. Antiseptic, ANTA, antiseptic, SEPTIC, septic, lotion, LOTION, lotion. Antiseptic lotion, band-aid, BAND, band, aid, AID, aid. Children, take your science booklet. Lesson 2, keeping safe. Already we have completed 4 questions, isn't it? Yes, now you write the remaining questions. Okay, now we write the 5th question. What is first aid? The immediate help given to an injured person is called first aid. 6th question. How would you help a person with cuts and wounds? For small cuts and wounds, first wash the area with water. Wipe it gently and put an antiseptic cream. Then tie a bandage or a clean handkerchief around the wound. Children, we have completed the second lesson. So you have to learn book exercise and answer the following questions. Thank you, children.
The Red Cross Society treats injured people. The Blue Cross Society treats animals.